Okay, test number 2, fries. So I'm going to use the French fry program. I have fresh potatoes, and the manual said use setting 3 for 28 to 31 minutes. Use the paddle, level 2 oil for 2 pounds of potatoes. Let's go. Halfway through, let's add the sauce. And there we go. DeLonghi fries, let's try them. They're really good. Compared to a deep fried fry, not as crispy. Probably just a matter of figuring out how to use it. Anyway, I'm going to try the meatloaf as well. And a piece of that. Lots of flavor in that. Okay, revisiting this. After the meal, we talked about it, and we think that those fries really came out well. Thank you for watching. Bye.